Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video is about testing in Angular 2 and above. We can write unit tests in Angular 2. By default, there is Jasmine and Karma available for creating unit tests. So creating unit test is very easy in Angular. Okay, so how we can do that is you just need to create an Angular project using the Angular CLI. So by default, you can see the spec classes. You can see this class app component.spec.ts. So this is created by Angular itself, and it has a test case within it. So there is a group of test cases, and there are like three test cases here, as you can see. This is the first. This is the last one. Second last. This is the first one. Okay, so how can we test this? So to test this, there's a simple command. You have to go to the root folder and type ng test. Let's say this. Yeah. So what it actually does is like it starts the server. Okay, and it launches a browser. So here it launches a Chrome browser with the URL as localhost 9876. So once that is completed, it starts executing the test cases. So you can see here there are four of four success. So this is like after I created a component. So when you create a first fresh project and type Angular, sorry, ng test. So there are only three test cases. Those are for the app component. You can see it here. Okay. So initially everything will be success. So uh, what next is like I have created a new component with name as header. You can see here using the CLI. So the component HTML, SCSS and TS is generated. Along with that, the spec is also generated. So by default, it has only one test case within it. This is a custom test case that I have added. Okay, we'll come back to this later. So by default, it has only one test case. Uh, so as I've already explained, like when we type this command ng test, a new browser window is opened. Okay, the localhost 9876. So you can see here. Okay, so this will display all the test cases and the results. So you can see here all the test cases are passed. Okay, coming back to the custom test case, this part is added by me, and before this what I've done is like in the component I have created a new method as add. So it takes two numbers and returns the result. So I want to test that like whether the result is as per my expectations or not. So for that I can create a new test case. I'll go to the app component or the header component spec.ts. Header is the component name, it can be anything. So here I can add a new test case. Okay, this is the heading of it. So the same thing is displayed here. Yeah. Okay, moving on. So I have to use the component. This is created before these test cases are executed, so you can refer to it. Call your method, pass the parameters, and 2 equals is used to compare the results. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, let's test it again. So now I'll test the negative scenario. Okay, so this time it should fail. So I say 2 plus 2 equals 3. So the important point is once you save this spec class, uh, you can see the test cases are executed. Let's wait and watch. I just refresh this page. The server is not responding. Let's stop it. Yeah, you can see here there are one failures, 6 specs, one failure, Okay, the expectation is 4 but the result is 3. Sorry, the expectation is 3 but the result is 4. So this is how you can create a new test case. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you, thanks for watching.